Tired of juggling multiple apps and wish your data could just flow seamlessly? This video will show you exactly how to connect Pabbly Connect and Aisensy to automate your workflows. First, log into your Pabbly Connect account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, click on the Create Workflow button to start a new automation. Give your workflow a descriptive name, like Lead Management with Aisensy, and then select your trigger application. In this case, let's say your trigger is a new lead captured in a Google Sheet. Search for and select Google Sheets as your trigger app. Now, configure the trigger details. You will need to connect your Google Sheets account to Pabbly Connect and specify the spreadsheet and sheet containing your lead data. Make sure to grant Pabbly Connect the necessary permissions. Next, it's time to add Aisensy as your action app. Click the plus icon below the trigger and search for Aisensy. Selected to proceed with the integration. Now, Pabbly Connect will ask you to connect your Aisensy account. To do this, you will need your Aisensy API key and your phone number ID. You can find these details in your Aisensy account settings. Enter these credentials and click Save. Now, configure the action you want Aisensy to perform. This might be sending a welcome message to the new lead via WhatsApp. Select the action you want to perform, like send WhatsApp message, and then map the data from your Google Sheet trigger into the corresponding fields in Aisensy. For example, map the name column from your sheet to the recipient name field in Aisensy, and the phone number to the recipient number field. Finally, test your workflow by sending a test message. Once you're satisfied, turn on the workflow, and you are good to go. Now, every time a new lead is added to your Google Sheet, Aisensy will automatically send them a welcome message. Automate your workflow and enhance customer engagement with the power of Pabbly Connect and Aisensy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips.